Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and dermatosurgeon practicing at Charma, a skin, hair and nail clinic attached to Chirag Hospital in JP Nagar, Bangalore. So winter is a season where our skin gets easily dry. This is because the atmosphere is dry and it can take away moisture from our skin. So any oil that you have in the kitchen, could be butter, could be ghee, could be coconut oil, could be palm oil. Any oil is a good moisturizer as it forms a barrier on the surface of the skin and it repels water. That is, it doesn't allow the water inside the skin to escape. So oil is a very good thing that you can find easily in your kitchen to help to moisturize. Also, if you have some gel like substances like the gel present in aloe vera, that's also a very good moisturizer as it has good water holding capacity. So this is a water based moisturizer. And you can also make a mixture of water and oil forcibly mixed. It's called an emulsion, where oil becomes droplets in water, and mixture of this water and oil combination can be applied on the skin. This is also a very good moisturizer that you can find in any home in your kitchen. To watch more videos from me, please subscribe to Doctor's Circle.